Hi, this is Julie Tucker Leeton, and I am showing off my app that I have created for my class. What I wanted to do with my app, let's get it loaded up while it's loading up. I used MobiCube, and what I would like my app to do is I'd like it to be a one-stop for my students to be able to go and get help for verbs, hopefully later on vocabulary, just kind of everything that our department needs. So I created this. I have three major sections. I've got our About, which has a picture of all of the teachers. It has a little bit about us, and then I have links that they can contact us. I have my real email address. The other ones I did put pseudonyms just to protect their identity. But in a real app situation, if I were to use this for our department, I would put their real email addresses on there. The second part is the gallery. I showed some pictures that we've taken of the community up at the top, and then the sugar skull displays that we've done for Day of the Dead, just kind of to show it off so hopefully it could be something that we could add pictures to in the future for students to be able to access. The last thing that I did, and the main thing, is verb help. We do several different verb tenses in our Spanish classes, and I wanted a one-stop that if a student is having trouble with a certain section, that they could go and they could get help. Present tense verbs, what I've done is I've got two different things. I've got a video explanation. I've got practice links. Video explanations for the regular AR verbs. This is a Powtoon that I actually created for one of my other classes on how to conjugate a present tense AR verb. So they can go through the video and they can watch it and they can get a little bit of help with it. I don't have videos for all of them. I would love to do that sometime in the future, but right now I just have a few, so I put mine on where I could, and the ones I didn't, I just found YouTube videos to link. Second thing that I did on here is practice links. I got regular stem changing practice, and what this is linked to is actually a website called Conjuguemos. So it will open up a Conjuguemos that they can go and they can do graded practice for regular verbs. They can do games. They can do reference work. Some of the games work very well on the computer. Some, I found out, like the frog game, does not work very well, but they can access flashcards to help them conjugate the verbs or see the conjugations if they want to practice it. It also has some, if I can get back into the games, things like crossword word searches that they can do pretty easily on their phone or their device. So they're able to do the activities and do some practice on it on their own. I've got links on all of the present tense verbs, so if it's spelling changes, we've got spelling change verbs up here that they can do practice, they can do games, fill in the blank, so they can do several activities on that. This other thing, I've got it on most of them, a few of the later ones, just because I was running out of time. I've got that they're going to come soon. And so I've got it coming soon on there. So I'm hoping later on that I can work on this. I was actually showing it to some of my students today during class, and they were excited. They're like, can I download this off of the store? And I'm like, well, I haven't got it quite there yet. So I'm hoping that I can get it practiced and I can get it on there so that our students can work on it. Because my students were actually really excited whenever I was showing this to them, and they thought it was a very, very, very good idea so that they could get the practice. Things that I would add to this is not only do we need verb help, but also vocabulary help. I would like to get some vocabulary games and some vocabulary activities that they can do, and just keep adding to it. So this is my app. I did publish it enough that I could download it to my phone, but I do not have it on the App Store or anything like that. But it was kind of neat and kind of fun to play with. So, and that is all. Thank you very much.